had an old package unit that did not work, and I was given 2 weeks to pack up and move to Germany for a few months, but I would be leaving my fiance at home, and so I needed to replace the package unit. And so I frantically began searching online, and I found the current Blueridge gas pack unit. So I was able to order the unit online, had the shipment delivered within a week. I was able to install the unit myself with no issues whatsoever, and it ran all winter and kept me warm, and it's still going strong now, and I'm looking forward to using the AC on it this summer, actually. I really did appreciate how easy it was to install the unit and coming with the conversion pieces to attach it to my ducts and everything. It is a very quiet unit, and in fact, the unit actually sits right outside my bedroom window. It's not noisy at all. In the process of remodeling my home, I've had people come out and help out with little projects here and there, and I've actually given the name, the Blueridge name, to a few people who've asked about the unit. They've noticed that I've changed it, and I showed them the Blueridge website, and I would recommend anybody, especially anybody who's a DIYer, to order their own through Blueridge.
So I was searching for a new unit to replace my old package unit. So I searched around on the internet and found Alpine, introduced me to the Blueridge unit, and it seemed that it would be a good replacement option for me, and the pricing was really good compared to some of the other ones I looked at. And I ordered the unit online. Everything shipped, and there was no damage, and I installed the unit. And your tech support, by the way, was extremely helpful throughout the install process. The unit's been running now for about 4 months and performing well.
Purchased the Blueridge gas pack unit from Alpine. Been very pleased with the application. The shipped within 3 days to the location of the property that was being installed at. The unit came in great shape, no damage. The application was easy. It was cheaper than some of the units I had been getting. I have since bought probably 3 since then, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and it has worked efficiently for the tenants, and they've been very pleased and very happy with what we have done, and we'll continue to use this brand in all my units as they come up for replacement.
Well, I haven't had a single problem with it. The Blueridge package unit was real easy to install. I did it myself. It's got like 5 things to hook up: gas, electric. Have a little condensation tube for the condensation go out, a little wire to go to the thermostat. Just simple. And of course, then you have to hook up to the ductwork. But yeah, not a problem at all. Everything worked fine from day one. It's great. It's pretty efficient. It's quiet enough. Just hear a little whoosh of air when it turns on, which is what you want, some air coming out of those vents. It heats and cools down real fast too, Yep, I got a good deal on it. We'll do the same thing for less. I said, wow, I'm renovating this 100-year-old house and save $1,000 on one little item. That's a good deal.
Gas pack, it's a 3-ton unit. Basically, last summer, I went to turn on my air conditioning and my compressor unit froze. Then I went searching around for some contractors who came back at $8,000, $9,000 for the unit. So I went online, did some searching, came across Alpine, and noticed the pricing on these units considerably lower than what I was being quoted. So I ordered it. It was delivered. I found a contractor to come out, help me install it, set it all up. I love this thing. It heats my house like crazy and cools it off within 20 minutes versus what it used to take. And my energy bill, about 35-40% cheaper. And I've had absolutely no issues with it whatsoever.